Glen, thank you for joining us today at the One-to-One conference in Cape Town. Tell us a little bit more about the company.
Thanks, Scott. It's been a while since we've spoken, and new beginnings for some of our old assets within Mariana that we've actually taken out and relisted them on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange under the ticker ARIC. We listed on the 29th of December 2017, and I'm pleased to say that we listed at 25 cents. We're trading around 34, 35 cents at the moment, so a little bit of momentum going forward. And the nice thing about our assets in Côte d'Ivoire is, as I said, we actually do have momentum. We've actually been working them. We finished a drill program in December of 2017 with first results actually coming through last Friday. We have a very large strategic land package. We're busy working 1,200 square kilometers at the moment, and we've got around 80 kilometers of known mineralized trends with a really big, nice shear zone, about 38 kilometers long, which we call the Awalé shear, which there are artisanals working to the south. And with the systematic work that we've done, we've really built up some nice coincident targets, and we've drilled them. And as I say, the results are very encouraging along this shear zone, which is around 2 kilometers wide. We've got some reasonable intercepts there, 20 meters at around 1 gram, but we've also over quite a wide spacing. And we've got 3 meters at 5 grams, 4 meters at 3 grams. So, and this is just scout drilling. I think that's the key thing to note here. This is over a very large area, scout drilling with mineralization. So prospects for Awalé looking really good. So
the next 6 to 12 months, Glen, what should shareholders, investors be looking for from yourselves?
Yeah, so I mean, as I said, this program, we still have some pending results coming through, which is good going into February, and then probably a greater understanding of the geology around those results. I mean, it's a big system. We know we're in a large alteration zone, so it does take a bit of working. We do have planned another 2,500 meters of diamond drill. So the previous was RC. Now we're going to move into diamond, so we can actually understand the core, understand the geology a little bit more. And then building up, so it's not just about that Awalé shear, it's actually about our other targets as well. So we have a number of targets that we're really trying to lift up to a drill ready status.
And with regards to funding, well funded?
Yeah, when we listed, we raised $3.5 million. Sandstorm, our strategic shareholder, actually underpinned $1 million, effectively $1 million of that. But then our key supporters from the Mariana days, and everybody did do well out of our Mariana deal when we sold the business to Sandstorm, effectively backed the management team. And the management team is fundamentally, the old Mariana team in a slightly different guise, but the key people are there. And we have some, certainly, I have a technical committee. Eric Roth was my CEO of Mariana. He's on the technical advisory. He's a non-exec director now. And then we also have Neil Adzed, who was ex-Sprott. He's left Sprott now. And Neil, very accomplished explorationist as well. Certainly, helping us on a technical front, and helping Andrew Chubbs, our COO.
And how has One-to-One been for you?
I must say, just the success of One-to-One is quite amazing in terms of what they've done, their model that they've done. For us, it really addresses most of our needs. There's no doubt, we as a junior, we're a greenfields explorer, and we're busy, which is quite unusual for a greenfields explorer in this. Yes, we're in a market that's moving forward, but it's actually very encouraging. So I must say, we support them 100%.
Well, Glen, thanks for your time today.
Thanks very much.